Hi guys, today I am going to demonstrate you how to configure Fortinet firewall on EVE-NG. So my EVE-NG VM is power on and getting the IP address from my local DHCP server. So let's try to access this console. So now we have it access and it's showing us the username and password. Let's try to log in. Let's create a close this lab and create a new lab. Fortinet lab 01. We'll give some name. Enter. Now try to access the Fortinet. If you can see, the Fortinet firewall is grayed out. It is not yet configured. So let's try to get configured. So to configure the Fortinet firewall, it is bit easy. That there are few images which we need to get download. I highlighted in yellow. So these are the images which are supported by EVE-NG. So any of the image we can get it copied from the Google and download. It is easily available. Right? So I already have downloaded this image to my download folder, which is here. So once the image has been downloaded, we have to get it copied, create one folder, Fortinet, paste it in the file within this folder, extract it, right? So the file is here. So we have the fortinet.qcov. Let's copy this file and move this file in the main folder so that we can transfer this main file to the EVE-NG and delete all the remaining folders. Now the image has been copied here to the main folder, which is Fortinet, and we have deleted the remaining file over there. Now as per the EVE-NG guidelines, we have to name the correct file name before going to copy this file to EVE-NG. So either we can rename here or we can move the same folder to EVE-NG VM and rename over there. Any of the places we can do the same action. But so if from the EVE-NG perspective, we have to give this name is vertio.qcov. Once the name has been done, then we are ready. So we have to move this file to EVE-NG VM. So let's open the FileZilla and choose this path, qcov, UnitLab, add-ons and qmove. We have to copy this particular folder within this path. So let's select it. We are in the download folder. Let's select it and drag drop. This is small file, so it doesn't take more time. So the file has been copied now. Once the image has been copied, file has been copied, we have to log into the root EVE-NG VM console and fix the permission. Right? So for fixing the permission, we have one of the EVE-NG command, which is opt/unitlab/unl_tab-a fix permissions and press enter. Right? So this command says that whatever the changes we want to do, we are done. Now we don't need any of the configuration changes in EVE-NG VM. So now we are ready to use Fortinet image. Now right click here to bring the Fortinet, type 40. It is not there, so let's check what's wrong. Fortinet vertios.qcov. Okay, it is correct. What could be the file name? Okay, let's try to rename this file name. It says Fortinet-fgt-v6- build 1010. Now we have done it. Let's try to fix one more time the same permission and try to access once again. If you can see here, now the Fortinet is visible here. Let's select it, scroll down and done. Now this add one more management interface for management connectivity and connect it to the Fortinet. So this is port 1. Okay, let's get it start. It is started now. So let's try to grab the console. So now the console window is going to get open now. So this may take some time to get the power on and get it up. So let's wait for some time, be patient. Yeah, here it is now. So by default the username and the password will be the admin. Yes, admin and password will be the blank, no password. So we are in now. Now here we can do the initial configuration, right? So that's how we go and configure this EVE-NG. Thank you very much.